Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a MyGov ID account. So MyGov ID is used in Ireland as one login for government services. It is creating a basic account is helpful because it lets you start using MyGov ID with just your name and email address. So to begin, open up your browser and go to mygovid.ie. So once you're on the website, look at the top right side of the page, select create an account. So this will take you to the section where you need to enter your personal details. Now type in your full name and surname. After that, enter your email address. It is better to use a personal email that you can always access instead of a school, college, or work email. Next, create a password, then type the same password again to confirm it. After that, tick the box to confirm that you're over 16 years old. So once everything is filled in, select create an account, and MyGov ID will then send a 6-digit code to the email address that you entered. So open your email, get the code, and type it in the code box on the screen. If the code is correct, you will see a confirmation page. So select next to continue. For the last step, read the MyGov ID privacy statement, then agree to the terms and conditions by selecting I agree. And that is it. You have now created a basic MyGov ID account. To use more MyGov ID services, you can verify your account after this. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.